Some clothes are just one good idea away from escaping the donation pile. Today we're looking at more than 50 clothing upcycling ideas, and there are some seriously clever transformations in this collection. From simple changes that completely alter the look of a piece to creative sewing ideas that make you wonder why the original garment was ever allowed to stay boring in the first place. I pulled this inspiration from Pinterest while searching for clothing upcycles, thrift flips, refashioned clothes, DIY fashion, sewing inspiration, and creative ways to reuse old clothing. And I found everything from redesigned jeans and tops to dresses, skirts, jackets, and pieces that barely resemble what they started as. That is probably my favorite thing about upcycled fashion. You can begin with something completely ordinary and end up with something nobody else owns. It's also a pretty convenient excuse for keeping clothes you swore you were going to get rid of 3 years ago, so technically we're being resourceful. As you watch, keep an eye out for the project you think deserves the top spot and tell me your favorite in the comments. Once we reach around 100 total votes in the comments, I may recreate the winning idea with my own creative twist in a future video. And while we're looking through all of these clothing transformations, I also have a story for you about one of my own upcycling projects that started with a perfectly reasonable plan and somehow managed to become much more interesting than I expected. I'll tell you what happened as we go, but first, let's get into these ideas. Before we get into more of these clothing upcycling ideas, I want to tell you about a project that taught me a very important lesson. A shirt can look absolutely adorable while you're standing perfectly still and still be plotting against you the second you try to move. I had started with an oversized shirt that had great fabric and plenty of potential, but the shape wasn't doing much for me, so I decided to turn it into something more fitted and flattering. I pinned the sides, adjusted the shape, trimmed away the excess fabric, and started sewing everything back together. When I tried it on, I was thrilled. The waist looked better, the fit was cleaner, and for once the project looked almost exactly the way I had pictured it in my head. Naturally, that should have been my first warning. I stood in front of the mirror admiring my new upcycled shirt, turned from side to side, and everything looked great. Then I reached both arms above my head, or at least I attempted to. My arms made it about halfway up before the entire shirt came along for the ride. Suddenly the hem was heading north, the shoulders were pulling, and I realized I had apparently sewn myself an outfit designed specifically for someone whose arms remain politely at her sides all day. If you enjoy hearing these upcycling stories while discovering new ideas, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future inspiration. At first, I thought I had simply taken the sides in too much, but when I looked more closely, the real problem was around the armholes. I changed the fit of the shirt without leaving enough room for movement, and now I had to figure out how to put that room back without undoing everything I had just finished. Once I figured out that the problem was really the armholes, I stopped blaming the entire shirt and focused on giving myself back some actual freedom of movement. I opened the seams under the arms and added small fabric inserts using material that coordinated with the original shirt. At first, I worried the extra pieces were going to look like an obvious repair, but once everything was sewn in and pressed, they looked completely intentional. Even better, the inserts added a little extra detail to the design instead of just fixing the problem. Then came the real test. I put the shirt back on, stood in front of the mirror, and slowly raised both arms like I was conducting a very serious scientific experiment. This time they went all the way up without the entire shirt trying to relocate itself somewhere near my shoulders. Success. The finished upcycled shirt actually fit better than my original version. And the little side details gave it more personality too. That project reminded me that when you're refashioning clothes, fit isn't just about how something looks while you're standing still. If you can't reach a cabinet, wave at somebody, or dramatically throw your hands in the air when dinner burns, you may still have some adjusting to do. If you'd like to try some of these clothing upcycle ideas yourself, I have sewing tutorials on my channel along with playlists filled with more upcycled clothing, thrift flip, and refashioning inspiration. I also sell fabric and craft supplies on my vintage shop. Link is in the video description. And don't forget to vote in the comments for your favorite idea from today's video. I'll have another upcycling video waiting for you on the end screen when this one is over. Thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And now let's get back to the inspiration.